So any video uploading, first of all, you can select by the best title and the best description. First of all, so before uploading any video, the video will be there. The video will belongs to for alt tag, SEO alt tag. So what is the purpose of SEO alt tag? First you can check where Google SEO alt tag. SEO alt tags. How much? Such will be 86 lakhs 30,000. So previous in YouTube also they show you by the one search results in the below on YouTube. They will be removed by the recent option Caesar. They're using for many members in this one. Okay. In this writing for what is image optimization SEO alt tag SEO alt tag how it is work. How it work ranking else so select it. First of all, the characters are important. There will be don't exceed by the more than 100. This is a major part. So up to here 67. What is the image optimization SEO alt tag? How it is work for ranking? Else get more traffic on your website. But any viewers, most of the persons are they're using only for 60 characters. But here is showing for how many? 89 characters. They almost exceed by the 60. But if you need views, you can exceed by 60 is a no issue. So copy this one. What is the image optimization SEO alt tag? SEO how does it work to get more traffic to your website. So select, upload your title, select your channel. So always we can use it by different keywords and using by YouTube. Here, simple you can turn by image optimization will be find out. SEO alt tag will be find out. Get more website. Writing for tutorial. Right? The tutorial you can find out image optimization tutorials, website tutorials, website traffic tutorial, SEO tutorials. Copy. I'm starting for upload video. Upload your video. Always any video will uploading. First of all, select by the total 4 option: public, unlisted, private, and schedule. Any video, first of all, you can go for unlisted mode. In this, select the video and particular folder. Before any upload video on your YouTube to thread by desktop, the property mentioned by the particular video, that is a more affected by your monetization. Not give the perfect title description, upload the video, the facing problem for monetization. Where I can show you, first upload the video, done. Now copy, Any one description rating for all text, all text, tutorial. Again. In two keywords, I'm writing for pipe symbol. First of all, copy. Second will be paste. When uploading content, automatically they give the count of your overall your option. So SEO all tag, SEO tutorial, search engine optimization, and all tag, website traffic. Based on uploading content, to check by advanced setting. First of all, which one? Today. Monetization. Allow intimated. What are the title you mentioned? The automatically mentioned by your title, description, note. Is a very powerful. In upload your website with your proper title and proper description. Translation, English, basic info, and small selecting for in this. What the recommended options are in coming to search. When searching for alt tag, select by that options. Now, copy, search. How do you do image SEO for more traffic? Next, SEO for images, SEO for website traffic. I think done. Now, what are the title you mentioned? The two keywords will mention by the playlist. Mentioned by the playlist. Copy. I'm reading for two playlists. Any other related playlist will be there. Select by your playlist. Only one web video. I'm adding for total 4 keywords using playlist, including existing title and description. Select it. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, writing for common system marketing and author name. Now click for save change. Is clear? This is called waiting for perfect title and description. A particular video to check the score will be out of 50. The score will be 39.6. The best score will be out of 50. 35 above will be best score. So in this one, what are the mentioned for here? see how much 42.4. Now click for save change. So this is called to promote any video on particular YouTube channel with a perfect title and a perfect description. So simple, I'm changing for tutorial. Save changes. Then now 42.4. This one. Clear? If you increase any views, can exceed by 60, no problem for your particular website. This will here, the showing will be like this. This is called writing for particular YouTube title and description to engage the customer particular option.